SiteGround Affiliate Program Review, Usage Experience. In this video, I'll be reviewing the SiteGround Affiliate Program and sharing my personal usage experience. You'll find all the links to the program in the description below, so be sure to check those out if you're interested in signing up. SiteGround is a well-known and highly respected web hosting company that offers a variety of hosting solutions, including shared hosting, cloud hosting, and dedicated servers. Their affiliate program allows you to earn commissions by referring customers to their services. One of the standout features of the SiteGround affiliate program is the competitive commission rates. Affiliates can earn anywhere from $50 to $100 per sale, depending on the number of referrals made. The program also has a tiered payout structure, which means that the more sales you generate, the higher your payout becomes, which can result in larger commissions over time. This incentivizes affiliates to scale their promotional efforts for maximum earnings. The program itself is easy to use and offers a range of tools to help you succeed. Once you sign up, you'll gain access to a detailed dashboard where you can track your performance, see detailed analytics, and view earnings in real time. You'll also be given access to customizable affiliate links, banners, and promotional materials that are designed to help you drive traffic and increase conversions. SiteGround is ideal for anyone who has an audience interested in web hosting, website development, or online business. Whether you're running a tech blog, an online course, or a business site, their services are a great fit for customers who need reliable hosting with excellent customer support. In conclusion, the SiteGround affiliate program is an excellent opportunity for marketers in the web hosting niche. With competitive commissions, easy-to-use tools, and a reputable brand, it's a program you can confidently promote to your audience. If you're ready to start earning, be sure to check the links in the description below and sign up today.